Do you think every niche on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok is saturated? If so, then the niche I have for you today will change your mind. Not only is this niche underrated on YouTube, but also on Instagram and TikTok. Trust me, this is the perfect time to get into this niche. I'm talking about the what if niche. But before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button because there are lots of amazing things coming up for you soon. Now, to create these types of videos, we need 4 things. First, script. Second, images or videos. Third, audio. Don't worry, we will be using AI voices here. Fourth, video editing. Don't worry, I'll show you the easiest way to do it. To get started with the script, most people suggest ChatGPT. However, as you know, ChatGPT's responses aren't very good these days. Therefore, we'll be using Google's Gemini. Here, you can simply type this prompt as is, and you will get the best script for your videos. You can modify it if you wish, but I wouldn't recommend it. Now comes the media part. To generate the images, I usually suggest Leonardo AI. But for today's video, I have a special tool called Decohere AI. You can log in through your Google account and will see this page. Here, just change the wide option to tall and input the prompt for the image we want to generate. You can see that it is generating the images in real time. Once you are satisfied with the output, you can simply right-click on this image and save it to your device. In case you want to generate a video out of it, then simply click on the video option and hit Generate. Within a few seconds, your video will be generated, and you can download it from here. I will quickly generate 5 to 10 images for our video. Now for the audio part, the best tool is 11 Labs. You can log in using your Google account. Here you can choose a suitable voice for your video. Keep the rest of the settings unchanged and paste your script here. Click the Generate option.
What if all the ants disappeared? At first, it might seem like a small change. Our picnics wouldn't be swarmed, and some gardens might even appear tidier.
Now you can download the audio by clicking the download option here. Now that the audio is ready, let's move on to video editing. We'll be using CapCut for this, and you can follow these steps on the mobile app as well. Once you open CapCut, tap on the New Project option and upload all your media files. Then, drag the images and audio to the timeline. Try to adjust the image's duration based on the audio file. Then to add animation to your images, you can click on the animation option and select an appropriate animation. Next, we need captions. Head to the text option, tap Auto Captions, and then generate the captions. You can modify their appearance in this section. Choose the effects. I suggest using bright, contrasting colors for an attractive look. For the animation part, you can choose word by word or pop out.
What if all the ants disappeared? At first, it might seem like a small change. Our picnics wouldn't be swarmed, and some gardens might even appear tidier.
Then you can export your video by clicking on the export option here. Let's take a look at the final result.
What if all the ants disappeared? At first, it might seem like a small change. Our picnics wouldn't be swarmed, and some gardens might even appear tidier. But without ants, the breakdown of leaves and other organic matter would slow down dramatically. This could have a big ripple effect, impacting the growth of plants and the entire food chain.
That looks pretty good. Here's a quick tip. If you want to earn a good amount of money through these videos, try uploading them to TikTok, as the TikTok Creators Program pays $1 per 1,000 views. Suppose you post 4 such videos every day, and each video gets around 10,000 views. In that case, you could earn around $1,200 per month, and trust me, if you follow the steps properly and consistently, then these videos can get millions of views. I hope this video helped you on your creator journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.